Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening the image and immediately protecting the original. Duplicate the background layer with Ctrl or CMD+J. Once done, you'll work non-destructively so you can revert. Make sure the Properties and Layers panels are visible. They hold key controls. Next, convert the duplicate to a smart object if you plan to use filters. This preserves editability. Now select the subject using Quick Selection or Select Subject. You want a clean mask before adjusting brightness, because altering global. Now add a brightness/contrast or curves adjustment layer above the duplicate. You'll clip it to the duplicate or paint on the layer mask to confine changes to the background. This keeps the subject intact. Use curves for precise tonal control. Drag the midtones, lift or lower highlights. You'll see why curves gives more natural results. If the mask edge is harsh, apply a 3 to 20 px feather and refine with Select and Mask. Make small incremental adjustments so the scene remains believable. To finish, inspect for unwanted color shifts or halos. Add a hue/saturation adjustment or match color if the background looks off. Once happy, either export a flattened copy or save as PSD to preserve layers and masks. Before exporting, toggle visibility and preview at 100% to catch edge artifacts. If things go wrong, reduce the adjustment layer's opacity, soften the mask edge, or use the clone stamp to sample nearby background tones. These quick fixes will remove halos and restore a natural transition.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.